Hello, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on a Friday, March the 17th. And tonight we are breaking autographed jerseys. This here is a 3-box break. It is one of the HP NFL in Series 9. That is box 81, one of the NCAA college football. That is box 67. And one of our very own boombox. We let our customers pick between a stack of 3. They selected box C. So here we go. We did a random team sales. You can see on the far left, we've already randomized the teams and the customers. We then alphabetized those customers so they could see who they had a bit easier. We then gave them ample opportunity to trade, got everything entered, and here we go. Top of your NFL box. This is a huge 3-box. Well, y'all know who that is. That is going to be an Ocho Cinco, Mr. Chad Johnson. This one is a custom. He does a tiny sig. You'd think, man, he would do a bigger sig. You know, but he does a tiny little sig there, folks. But a nice jersey for the Bengals, folks. So who the heck has the Bengals? Big 401. There you go, bud. All right, we are going to move into college, which is box 67 of 100. If I could get my damn camera to cooperate a little bit for you. There it goes. Here we go. Pop of your college. Hoping for a nice hit. Wow, I have no idea. The player of jersey's really cool, though. Oh, is it Brian Urlacher, man? That is a Brian Urlacher. It hit me after I saw the sig. Yes, sir. That's a very, very cool looking number, guys. Yeah, I really like those. It's a really cool looking patch. It's got the thing on the inside. It's the opposite of what they normally are. But that is going to be a Chicago Bear hit, obviously, folks. Chicago Bears. That is Marshall. Yeah, it's very cool, guys. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you know how like the outline's normally on top? It's like the opposite way around, and it's actually a very cool effect. Yeah, I actually like that. Really nice looking jersey. So that is going to be a Marshall hit. Bam! We are now moving on to box 3. Again, we let you guys pick. Here we goes. Pop. All right, folks. You're calling it Big Ben, you say? Oh, my God. Well, folks, I tell you guys how it is streaky. And y'all know who that is, don't ya? That is Kevin White. Again, folks, that is a Kevin White Bears jersey. Not only that, yes, sir, y'all saw it. There is also a Walter Payton cut. Auto in there. All right. Yep, so there you go, folks. Yep, so again, it's not actually a cut, folks. It's actually an index card, so it is technically not a cut, I guess, but there you go. It's PSA. So he actually gets 3 hits out of this baby, folks. He gets 3 hits out of, that one Chicago slot, folks, in that break. That's how it goes, folks. I tell you all the time, it's streaky. Look at that. One break and he walks away with 3 separate hits, folks. That is crazy. Have a good one, folks. That is going to wrap up that 3-boxer. You all want to get this lucky? You're going to have to stop on by Boom City Breaks 7 nights a week, starting about 8 p.m. Central, where you'll find me or Gatsby breaking all forms of memorabilia. We'd appreciate it. Click on the follow button while there. Have a wonderful day.